Press the power button to switch between multimeter and oscilloscope functions. Press F1 to switch to current measurement mode. Press F1 again to measure voltage. Press Tab to access the trigger menu and select rising edge or falling edge. Adjust the trigger level position. Use the up and down arrow keys to switch the current/voltage range. Use the left and right arrow keys to switch the time base ranges. Press A key to set automatically. Measure the AC current waveform. Measure the AC voltage waveform.
Audio Jungle.